Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Mixy Videos by Sam. In this video I'm going to share small kitchen organization ideas. Transform your small kitchen into a stylish heaven with these beautiful decorating ideas that blend form and function seamlessly. Maximize your space by incorporating clever storage solutions from multi-tiered shelves to pull out pantry organizers. Embrace a cohesive color palette to create a visually pleasing atmosphere and consider open shelving to showcase your elegant dishware. Integrate smart lighting to illuminate your culinary space, enhancing both functionality and ambience. Experiment with textures and materials to add depth, utilizing subway tiles and pattern backsplash for a touch of character. Personalize your kitchen with subtle accents like potted herbs or decorative kitchenware. With these small kitchen organization ideas, you can achieve a harmonious balance between aesthetic and efficiency, making your kitchen a delightful space to cook and entertain. Further, enhance your small kitchen charm by optimizing vertical space with hanging pot racks or wall mounted utensils holder, freeing a valuable counter space. Introduce elements of nature through indoor plants or herb gardens, bringing freshness and touch to tranquility to your culinary heaven. Consider maximizing natural light with sheer curtains or strategically placed mirrors to create an illusion of more space. Invest in space saving furniture like foldable tables or compact dining sets to ensure functionality without sacrificing style. Experiment with bold patterns in your kitchen textiles such as curtains or seat cushions to inject personality into space. Finally, streamline your kitchen's look by minimizing clutter and embarrassing a minimalist approach, allowing each carefully chosen element to shine. These additional tips will not only make your small kitchen more organized but also elevate its overall aesthetic appeal. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel or our video. Thank you and stay tuned. Goodbye.